Hello everyone. In our previous session, we have seen the resources of water and also understood the traditional water storage techniques. So today, in this session, we will see causes of water scarcity, importance of water conservation in our life, customs related with water, posters and slogans related with water conservation. Water. It's one of our most precious resource, but our water supplies are limited. 97.5% of earth water is salty and only 2.5% is fresh water. But over two-thirds of this fresh water is locked in polar ice caps and glaciers. This leaves only 0.5% in our lakes, rivers, and groundwater for agriculture, industrial, and personal use. But due to pollution, the quality of this water is under threat. According to the World Health Organization, only 0.007% of world's total water supply is safe for consumption, and this mini small amount of water need to be shared more than 7 billion people on the planet. Next, we are going to learn about the reasons for water crisis.
Today, more than 700 million people have no access to clean water, like Aza, who has to walk for miles to collect it and carry it home, while Tim, in another part of the world, simply turns on the tap. He uses more than 100 liters per day. What's behind this injustice? In agriculture, groundwater and water from marshlands is used to irrigate the fields. In countries with a dry and hot climate, this is especially problematic. Once pumped out of the ground, the water doesn't come back. On top, climate change and pollution make matters worse. The local population must live on dried-out land. And as the world's population grows, the demand for water is growing too.
Rajasthan. It's a desert area, and many places in Rajasthan get very little rainfall. So it is very important to conserve water for their daily life. Rainwater harvesting is the best method of water conservation. Rainwater harvesting involves either collecting rainwater directly or recharging it to the ground to improve groundwater storage. How does rainwater harvesting benefit us? It raises the groundwater level, checks rainwater flow, which prevents soil erosion, prevents rainwater pollution, and helps meet water demands during the dry season. And all of this can be solved by rooftop water harvesting method. Using pipes connected to the roofs, we can channelize the rainwater into the underground pits. For recharging groundwater, we can make pits on the ground to collect water. The collected water will rise the level of groundwater. Now, let us see the importance of water management. Using water use at home. Here, it says that there are a number of easy practical measures that every family can take to ensure they are not wasting water in and around the home, like use a low flow shower head, ensure all leaky pipes are repaired, collect rainwater for further use, etc. Now, let us see the different pictures to show ways in which people manage water today. This is how we get water. From the first picture, we can understand that they have put a pipe directly from the gel-board pipeline. Second picture says they have to put a motor to pump up the water from the borewell, but if there is no electricity, they will be in trouble. Third picture shows that they get a water from the canal itself. Here again, the first picture says that a gel-board water tanker will come to their area twice a day. They have to stand in a line to get water from the tanker. Second picture says that they fill water from the well. If that nearby well is dried up, they have to go far to reach the other well, and they are not allowed to take water from some of the nearby wells because of their caste. Next picture says that they are getting water half an hour to their home. Sometimes it will be dirty water. And the next picture says they get water from their taps all day long. Next is a hand pump nearby, but the water they get from the hand pump is salty and they have to buy water for drinking. Now, let us see that many customs and traditions related to water. Here, you can see two pictures, and the first picture shows that the bride of Uttarakhand, after getting married, she has comes to the new village. She goes to the spring or the pond. And the second picture, at some places, whenever lakes get filled up with rainwater, the people gather around the lake to celebrate. Here you can see the beautiful stone carvings and the shiny pots used to collect water.